let's take a 5-minute craft break together. Hello, I'm Claire from the Ottaway. I'm a total craft addict here in the UK. I do weekly YouTube papercraft tutorials because papercraft is my first love. I have loads of tutorials and they're all about the end project that you make. It's about making a fun fold card or a mini album or all sorts of things, but there's very little playtime involved. It's just getting on with the project. So these 5-minute craft break videos are really about me just having time to play and giving you an idea to do the same. I think some of your best projects come about just from playing, so we should really do more of it. I also run the Crafty Ottas Club, which is a way to get more of me, more tutorials, more exclusives, all sorts. So click on the join button and have a look if that's something you're interested in. So I've got some 12 by 12 paper. I've got a lot of 12 by 12 paper, as I'm sure you have too. Some from years ago, and I was thinking, let's get rid of some of it. What could we make today? So I've got this double-sided sheet. It's a fairly generic piece. It's an any way up, so it doesn't matter which way round it is. And I'm gonna attempt to turn it into a mini album in just 5 minutes. So I'm gonna score it. Now, I've not really thought about this, but we're going to give it a go. I'm going to score it at 4 inches one way and then 8 inches. Okay. So I end up with 3 columns going down, 1, 2, 3. And then I'm going to turn it. Can you hear the clogs ticking as I'm thinking out loud? I'm going to turn it and score it again at 6, okay, because that, I think, if I fold that in half, that'll give us a really nice size album, that and that, but it's a bit bulky, okay, so it's going to be something like that sort of size. So I think I need to cut down one of these. So if I turn that, do I want to turn it round? Yeah. So I'll turn it round and I'll just score that down. So if I put that at 8 and then cut that down. Have I done that right? Maybe not. I think I should have gone across. But shall we go with it? Okay, so that's going to be up. So if I do this one down, up, down, you've got no idea what I'm going on about, have you? I'll show you, hang on. So this one is going to go across there. So, yeah, let's have a look at that. Let me bring that so you can see it. Okay, so there's my 12 by 12, and this bit is going to come across like that, and then this bit will come up like that. So that means this bit can come up or down. Actually, if I flip it over, I think I'd quite like the white on the outside. So that's going to be my cover. There. That's the beauty of two-sided. You can have it either way. That's going to go there. So that could be a pocket or a side pocket, or should we do that? Okay, let's do that. Right, glue. Please stick glue. So if I unfold it so you can see it, there's my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 panels. This panel is going to fold onto the centre, so I'm going to put some glue there, and I'm going to put some glue along there. No, I didn't want to do that, did I? Yeah, I did. 5 minutes. I bet 5 minutes has gone already. Okay, so that's going to come up and be my pocket. Okay, like that. And then this one I'm going to have as a side pocket here. So if I put some glue there and some glue along the top here, that means that I've got something I can put in there. That I've got a pocket here, like that. That could fit something in. And this one goes up and I could fit something in there, like so. And then if I fold that over, like that, and then this one over there, that is my mini album. Look at that! We did it! We made that in 5 minutes. Now all I've got to do is embellish it. Oh, there's just one more thing I think I'd quite like to do. It's a bit, oh, will it work out? I might cut across there. Shall I? Because then I could put a pocket on there and you would see the wood from behind. Oh, shall I? Go on, let's do it. It's just playtime. Okay, so that means that that pocket is still a pocket, but this bit could either go there or could go, oh, I like it like that. It's like it's graded up. Let's stick that on as well. So that is going to go on there. And then I'm going to go away because my 5 minutes is up and embellish it to my heart's content, and I will share it with you on my social media. So if you're not following, get following and you'll see it by the end of the week. And that is how you have a 5 minutes playtime, just like that. Ta-da! A mini album. I hope you love watching. If you have, pop back and see me again very soon. Happy crafting!